Hey everybody, today we're going to unbox this magnetic helping hands. Full disclosure, an Amazon seller did reach out to me and sent this to me for free. But let's not waste any time and open it. Alright, so inside the box you're going to get a thank you note. That's great. It has their support email there and also a note from the seller. Let's grab these. These are rubbery, so these are going to be the feet. And here are the clamps. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clamps. You're going to get 2 of these. I don't know what they are. I don't solder that much. I solder RC cars, but these are magnetic. This will go onto the platform there. And this is the gooseneck. Pretty tight in there. Okay, so this is going to be the 2 goosenecks, 3 actually. The 3 goosenecks that we're going to be able to put on the platform. So they are magnetic. You can see there, all 3 of them. And lastly, here's another one. So there's actually 4. 2 long and 2 short. And then here is the platform itself. I'm guessing we should put the feet on first, so let's do that. Very sturdy. And let's grab all these. These are obviously going to be for the clips, for these clips. Let's see how this goes. So there's a hole on the side of each one. And this end is going to go in and you're going to tighten it with this. So there it is. This is the NEWACALOX magnetic helping hands. And it looks like it's going to be very helpful in soldering. So take a look at this product from the link below. So I hope this unboxing video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.